Hey Pyros, Valmir from Elite Fireworks here with another video of our Fireworks Abroad series. So last week you guys did see Blue Sea, which if you did not watch that video, I highly recommend you go ahead and watch it before you watch this one. This week we got a new product called America for you guys. Now, as far as how many grams this product is, so we actually are not 100% sure. We did ask the owners and they told us it could be potentially 2.5, but it's at least 2 kilos. So that's 2,000 grams. But something that you notice, as you can see here, it says it's labeled 100 gram, which that's why a lot of the labels, what we have noted from, especially from this company, Panda-T, they're mislabeled for basically shipping purposes. It costs a lot cheaper to import the fireworks with less amount of gram. But as far as this is 72 shots, so at least 2 kilos, potentially 2.5 kilos, which is crazy. You know, you're looking at 4 to 5 times the legal limits in the US. And also, similar to the last cake that we've talked to you guys last time with Blue Sea, look how compact the actual shots are. So it's a lot less strict than typical US regulations. Alright, so let's get to it. I'm gonna have Suli take over from now on, where he'll give you guys his in-person actual reaction, which is always, of course, much better.
Ready? Alright guys, we're going to shoot the American 72 shots. Guys, this is unbelievable. It is loaded. Guys, this is unbelievable. I wish you guys can be here and see what's happening, but this is unbelievable. All right guys, see you to the next one. We have another big surprise. It is a €500 cake, so you will see that. Thank you guys, bye.